Hey friends, are you ready to start touring properties but you're not quite sure what to expect when you're doing showings? Or are you wondering if you should bring your kids or your pets along? Well, let me share a story to illustrate why understanding proper showing etiquette is so very important. So I once had an open house in Suffolk for this beautiful, expensive new construction home that was fully staged with amazing touches. This sweet lady came in with her 3 little kids, and the youngest was literally all over the place. And as they were touring the property, the youngest child was messing around with something, and suddenly we heard this loud crash. We ran upstairs, but we could not find her child. Now the family looked frantically everywhere while I started just cleaning up the broken glass because I was not worried. I figured he was somewhere hiding because nobody left the house. But after about 5 minutes of frantically searching, the mom was in hysterics. But finally, y'all, we found the child hidden inside of an ottoman. He crawled into an ottoman at the foot of the bed and fell asleep because he was trying to avoid a spanking. So kids are hilarious, and sometimes you have to bring your children, but it's crucial to keep them with you. Realtors are not babysitters, and if you break it, you buy it. Of course, I'm kidding. No one can force you to buy a home, but in this video, I want to talk with you about all things showings. Let's talk about why showings matter, what you can expect, and some do's and don'ts of property tours. You ready? Let's get into it. Now, showings are a crucial part of the home buying process. They're going to give you the opportunity to see the property in person, get a feel for the neighborhood, and imagine yourself living in that home. It's your chance to ask questions and look for any potential issues. Now, when you schedule a showing, here's typically what you can expect. Number 1, make sure you plan to arrive on time. If you're running late, let your realtor know as a courtesy to the seller. Number 2, your realtor is going to walk with you through the home, highlighting some key features and answering any questions that you have about the property. Number 3, respect the property. Treat their home with respect. Avoid touching their personal items, and definitely be mindful of the seller's belongings. Number 4, ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions about the property, the neighborhood, or just the home buying process in general. Now I'm going to give you some best practices for showings that I want to make you aware of. First of all, be prepared. Make a list of your must-haves and your deal breakers before a showing. This is going to help you stay focused and help you make informed decisions. Number 2, bring a notebook. Take notes during the showing. It's easy to forget details after you see multiple homes. Number 3, check out the basics. Pay attention to things like the roof, the windows, the foundation. Look for any signs of water damage and structural issues. Number 4, test the fixtures. Turn on the lights, the faucets, the appliances, because you want to make sure everything is working well. Number 5, think about how the home layout fits your lifestyle. Is there enough space? Are the rooms laid out in a way that works for you? Number 6, guys, always look beyond the staging. Staging can make a home look more appealing. Try to envision the space with your own furniture and your own style for best results. Number 7, ask about the neighborhood. Inquire about the local schools, the amenities, and the community. Drive around the neighborhood so that you can get a feel for the area. Now, let's get into what not to do during a showing so that we can ensure a smooth and respectful experience. Number 1, don't arrive late. Being late can throw off the schedule for everyone involved. Always plan to arrive on time, and if you are really running late, make sure you let your realtor know. Number 2, don't bring pets. It's best to leave your pets at home. They can be a distraction and may not even be welcomed by the sellers. Some sellers may even have allergies. Number 3, don't let your children roam free. Keep a close eye on your kids. They should stay with you at all times to prevent any accidents or damage to the property. Number 4, don't touch those personal items. Avoid touching or moving the seller's personal belongings. It's important to respect their space. Number 5, don't take photos or videos without permission. Always ask for permission before taking videos or photos of the property because some sellers may actually have privacy concerns. Number 6, don't openly criticize the property. Refrain from making negative comments about the property while you're inside. This can be disrespectful to the seller and uncomfortable for your realtor, and they might be recording you. Number 7, don't overstay your welcome. Be mindful of the time allocated for the showing. Staying too long can inconvenience the sellers and other potential buyers. Number 8, don't ignore problem areas. Don't just gloss over potential issues that you see. Take any notes of concern and then you can discuss them with your realtor. Number 9, don't bring a large group with you. Limit the number of people you bring to the showing. Too many people can be overwhelming and distracting, and you won't even know if you want the house or not. And finally, number 10, don't make yourself at home. Don't sit on their furniture, don't lie on their beds, don't use the bathroom unless absolutely necessary. Remember, most of the time, this is still somebody's home, and we always want you to be respectful. Bottom lines is this, friends. Showings are a key part of finding your dream home. Being prepared and knowing what to avoid can make the process smoother and more enjoyable. So keep these tips in mind and let's find the perfect home together. Hopefully this video helps you understand the importance of showings and how to make the most out of them. If you're ready to start your home buying journey, connect with us. We're here to help you every single step of the way. At Hutson Realty Group, our business is our ministry. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone you know who's looking to buy a home, subscribe to Hampton Roads Real Estate for more valuable insights and tips on the home buying process. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.